Hello guys, welcome back to Ikuriku TV. Now, in this video that I'm about to show you now, you will see where the Italian Guardia di Finanza discovered drugs, illicit drugs that these people are doing in Italy. It will shock you to know that in this video that you are going to watch now, you will see that the color of the wall that looks green, when a wall or fence has been abandoned, it turns green because the rain that is falling on it will make it to have like mucor and gathering of greenish, color that can even make grass to grow. So in this video, you will see that these drug dealers have turned the color of everything to become green, including their bunker where they are hiding these drugs. Just watch the video and drop your comment. Just see.
Bunker in costruzione come quelli dell'entroterra calabrese, rifugi studiati per viverci settimane e sfuggire alle manette per rimanere in città e continuare a controllare gli affari illeciti, per nascondere armi e droga come dei depositi merce invisibili. I carabinieri della compagnia di Caivano, insieme a quelli dello squadrone eliportato cacciatori di Calabria, hanno perquisito decine di caseggiati popolari nel rione Parco Verde e nel Bronx. 4 i bunker scoperti. L'accesso era camuffato nelle cantine, nei seminterrati e nelle aree comuni condominiali. Uno di questi è ancora in costruzione, come in un cantiere. L'ingresso da una botola blindata nascosta in una parete di mattoni. Altrettanto ingegnoso il trucco utilizzato per nascondere droga e proiettili. Lungo un muretto di cinta di uno dei palazzoni era stato scavato un piccolo vano esattamente nella stessa dimensione del mattone che lo componeva. A coprirlo uno sportello sul quale era stato agganciato uno strato di tufo, muschio compreso, che si mimetizzava perfettamente con il resto della parete. Nella cavità quasi 1 chilo di cocaina diviso in 5 panetti e 20 panetti di hashish per oltre 4 kg di sostanza stupefacente. E ancora 50 proiettili calibro 7,65 e 57 calibro 9,21 mm. Durante il blitz è stato scoperto anche una sorta di laboratorio per il confezionamento della droga. È stato sequestrato. Continuano le indagini per identificare chi avesse commissionato quei nascondigli.
Mafia when they this Italy, no be small one. No. Una they see the kind place where they hide this thing. A common man will not know anything. You cannot discover that these people has been hiding this kind of stuffs here. And our people, they know they miss out now. They must stay inside. They must be part of this business. They must make money by fire, by force. Now, did you see that? You see what's going on? So, but the way that Italian police are, they are still very intelligent. Those police people who are discovering this thing, you can't tell me that they are not mafians. They are also, so not only criminal, and if you catch thief, if you use an ordinary eye, you not catch anything. So that is why they have also assigned these people we know road to them. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. And don't forget to share this video. Our people should desist from doing this kind of illegal businesses. It's bringing bad name to us. At all costs, it's bringing bad name to we. Where we say we don't know one, we don't know two. Now, they know the agree open poster for Nigerians because of things like this. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.